with Reparadise. I'm going to give you a little project highlight on this Unimog 404. This is a 1962 Unimog. Supposedly it was originally purchased by the German Army before making its way here to Reparadise. The truck originally had a radio box on the back. Unfortunately, that box was removed before coming here, and along with the box, the torsion-free subframe was removed as well. So we engineered and designed this 4-point subframe. It pivots on large rubber bushings. This will provide a solid platform, flex-free platform for the Total Composite camper that we have on the back side here. We spec this camper out, and then Total Composites sent it to us flat packed, and now we're assembling it. The interior layout is pretty simple. A rear dinette that turns into a bed, a galley up front, and then a wet bath next to the galley. We're using Arctic Tern windows throughout. These windows are nice, they're large. Rather than sliding open, they swing open and provide a ton of airflow and light when you want it. There's also a cool integrated screen and blind system that's used with them. Up above here is a large queen size bed, a little bit larger than queen, and we're using the Happy Jack bed lift system. We fabricated the bed support here in the shop. Right here on the top of the bed, I have one of these Arctic Tern screen and blind units. This is the passive window we're putting in the bathroom, but you can see how that's a nice all-in-one little unit. They make windows for sprinter vans and all kinds of applications, so we'll probably be using those on some more builds. There you go. We'll do a couple more highlights on this as it moves along. We should be hitting the road in the spring.